Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add effects on your story in Facebook on Android. Adding effects to your story can make it more fun and engaging, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Then, tap on the Your Story icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the camera screen where you can create your story. Next, select the type of story you want to create, such as a photo or a video. You can capture new content using your device's camera or upload existing content from your gallery. Now, it's time to add some effects to your story. Tap on the Effects icon located at the top of the screen. It looks like a magic wand. Browse through the available effects and tap on the one you want to use. Some effects may require you to perform certain actions, such as opening your mouth or raising your eyebrows. Follow the instructions on the screen to activate these effects. If you want to add multiple effects to your story, simply tap on the effects icon again and select additional effects. You can keep adding as many effects as you want. Once you're happy with the effects you've added, tap on the Done button to save your changes. Finally, tap on the Share button to publish your story on Facebook. That's it. Adding effects to your story in Facebook on Android is super easy and fun. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.